I'm Steve, welcome to my shop and to Very Cool Stuff. This video is going to be a follow on from the pillar drill in terms of replacing this suite of cabinets here. But firstly I need to find a new home for my lathe, so we're going to build a lathe stand with some storage, hopefully in the place where it's going to stay. So it's going to be a couple of top rails, a couple of side rails, 4 legs, lower rail, and then a centre stretcher. Probably going over the top because I'm going to actually fasten it to the wall as well, and then just cover it with a piece of ply. That'll be about 1.5 metres. It's about 0.5 metres. There's about 0.7 metre, and all this stock is basically 70mm by 45, and then 18mm ply. So we've got all the frame cut. I had some 62 pine, 2 top rails, 1 lower centre rail, 4 legs. They're going to be top side rails and the lower side rails. For the joint, I'm going to just use half flaps and just glue it to screw it, as it's got furniture, nothing too fancy. Top of the legs, half laps done, as with the lower ones. Well, would you believe it, the memory card went full on the camera. As you're designing and making something without any real sort of solid plans, things change. So I've decided to put a centre support in here. I'm going to hang drawers on one side, probably the cupboard on another. So on top of these rails down here, I've used some more of this gash timber, and just using the table saw and the bandsaw, just notched out in the area. So this is going to fit round here, snug fit. Stretcher in between. That gives me plenty to fix on whenever I come to a conclusion exactly what I'm really going to do. I'm just going to screw this through the back, and probably down through there. I'm going to glue the front one. Don't really want to see any screws at the front, or I might actually even use the domino. So I'm going to use the domino for fixing that, and I'll probably domino down there as well. So, lesson to be learned: keep checking your camera because you think it's recording, but the SD card's full. workshop furniture, oil and linseed oil. So that's the lathe station completed, so I can get the lathe on and working. I've also installed 4-foot fluorescent light. Give it a bit more light while we're working over there. So the next job's some drawers, and I've got an idea what I'm going to do about the drawers. I've got a Lathe jig, and I've got a very old Arcoy dovetailing jig. So it's a Lathe dovetailing jig versus the Arcoy 1960s dovetail jig. We'll do that to make the drawers. So next job on the agenda. See you then.